a little bit sore on the side of the neck from sustaining all those G's and then also having to look over his shoulder the entire time during this performance. As you see, Master Corporal Tyler Owen getting closer to the ground. And now, folks, I would like to ask that you please rise, remove your hats as we welcome to the microphone Captain Rich McDougall, who will be singing for us the United States National Anthem.
Oh, say, can you see by the dawn's early light what so proudly we hailed at the twilight's last gleaming, whose broad stripes and bright stars